Another day, another tambay guys. So kulot na tambay back. Putukan na natin yung ginawa natin Course of Fire. So ganito magiging laro natin this afternoon. So as you can see, dito yung pistol and magazine natin on top of the table. Then meron tayong timer and safety goggles, no? Kailangan natin yan kasi baka mamaya babalikan yung mata natin pag pinuputokan natin yung mga round plates or yung mga bakal natin. So mechanics niya is upon audible signal, seated tayo, no? Seated upon audible signal, or pwede namang nakatayo. Upon hearing audible signal, damputin natin yung pistol, then insert the magazine, load, and engage all targets, all visible targets. So bali, this course is a medium course with a minimum required rounds of 18 rounds. Yun nga, upon hearing the audible signal, damputin natin si pistol and magazine, then insert, load, and fire na tayo. So pakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya ginagawa. Let's go! Shooter, are you ready? Stand by! Time 1751. Nice one. Nice one, nice one. Shooter, are you ready? Stand by. Time 1765. Not bad. Shooter, are you ready? Stand by. If you're finished unloading, show clear, hammer down, booster time 1463. So that's it for today's standby, no? Sana na-enjoy nyo yung maliit na Course of Fire natin, yung pag-firing natin, and sana na naipakita ko or na-illustrate ko ng maayos sa inyo yung kung paano na nilalaro itong ganitong klase ng shooting using an airsoft. So that's it for today guys. Kulot out!